How to create Outlook mail account on your PC or laptop. First, you have to visit outlook.com. Once you are in the website, you can go to sign in button here in the top right corner. There is option to create account. You can click create one here. You can choose outlook.com or hotmail.com. I'm gonna choose outlook.com, and then you can choose your username. And if it's already taken, it will be notification like this. So you have to choose the right username, click next, and then you can choose the password, and then make sure your password is meet the requirements. Click next, and then you can add some details and click next. After that, add your first name and last name, and then click next. To prove that you are human, you can press and hold. After that, it will open your mail account. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.